The Filipino antonyms tapat, which means honest in English, and sinungaling or liar or dishonest in English. Tapat, sinungaling. Tapat, sinungaling. Ang aking ina ay tapat sa lahat ng kanyang sinasabi. My mother is truthful in everything she says. Ang aking ina, my mother, ina is mother. Tapat is honest or truthful. Sa lahat, it means everything. And then kanya is he or she, his or her. Sinasabi, sabi is like says. So, ang aking ina ay tapat sa lahat ng kanyang sinasabi. Iwasan ang pakikipag-usap sa sinungaling na tao. Avoid talking to a deceitful person. Iwasan means to avoid. Pakikipag-usap means to talk. Sinungaling is a dishonest or a liar or a deceitful. Deceitful, just that it. And then tao is a person. So iwasan ang pakikipag-usap sa sinungaling na tao. Tapat siya sa kanyang obligasyon bilang guro. He or she is diligent or faithful in his or her obligation as a teacher. Tapat is faithful or honest. Kanya is his or her obligasyon is obligation as bilang, and then a guro is a teacher. Tapat siya sa kanyang obligasyon bilang guro. Ang kanyang paliwanag ay sinungaling na kwento. It means that his or her explanation was a false story. Kanya is his or her, it's gender neutral, and then a paliwanag, it's an explanation. Sinungaling is a liar or dishonest, and then a kwento is a story. So ang kanyang paliwanag ay sinungaling na kwento. And once again, when we say tapat, that means honest in English, and sinungaling is liar or dishonest. Tapat, sinungaling. Tapat, sinungaling.